Hello everyone, I am Kazuto Yamaki, CEO of SIGMA Corporation. Today, I'm very excited to introduce to you a brand new professional-grade, high-speed standard zoom lens, the SIGMA 24-70 F2.8 DG DN Art. Here is the current version of the lens, SIGMA 24-70 F2.8 DG DN Art. Thanks to its high optical performance and compact design, this lens has always been one of our most popular optics. The new 24-70 F2.8 DG DN Art is an updated version of the lens. It's about 7% smaller and 10% lighter, but achieves higher optical performance than the current version. Actually, once you hold it, I believe it feels much lighter, more compact, and easier to handle than the numbers indicate. In order to achieve the highest optical performance in its class, we included 6 FLD elements. FLD is a special type of glass that has exactly the same optical characteristics as fluorite. However, the challenge is that FLD is one of the most difficult optical glass to polish. So using a lot of FLD is not common in today's lens design. However, in the case of SIGMA, we can do this because we make this lens in our Aizu factory in Japan, where the highest glass polishing technology is available. We can polish these elements with very tight tolerances and highest efficiency. The highlight of this lens is that we could achieve such impressive optical quality in a very compact and lightweight design. As you know, the standard zoom lens need to be portable enough to carry around for long periods, but optically outstanding enough to meet the needs of professional image makers. And I believe we found the best balance. You might think that designing such a portable lens would mean a sacrifice to its robustness, reliability, or mechanical performance, but we never take such design approach. SIGMA always pays great attention to its build quality so that it can withstand a rigors of daily use for years to come and give users a very reliable photographic tool. The new 24-70 F2.8 DG DN Art comes with a range of professional-grade features, including high-response linear actuator for its very quick, accurate, and smooth autofocus, and aperture ring for more intuitive control. I hope you enjoy using this 24-70 F2.8 DG DN Art and this beautifully crafted lens with the most advanced technology will help you achieve your most creative and expressive work yet. For more detail and technical specifications, please visit our website. Thank you very much for watching.